Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Alina Craft Studio. In today's video I'm making a beautiful spring wreath for my front door. I will take you step by step through the entire process, so let's start it. Here in my project I will be using bright yellow forsythia flowers, a cute little birdhouse, and a willow wreath base. And I will also add a decorative bow made from different ribbons. We will attach all our parts using a glue gun. Before I start gluing anything, I like to group all my materials and lay them out on the wreath base. This helps me visualize the design and adjust the placement of each element before securing them. Here I cut the ribbons approximately 5.5 inches. Once I have the general layout, I go ahead and glue down the wreath base where needed to make sure everything stays in place. Then I'm attaching the forsythia flowers. Now let's make our bow. I'm crossing the ribbons over each other in an X shape and then tying them together with a thin ribbon or thread. Here I add a glue for extra secure. Here I cover our knot with another ribbon. Our next step, I will add the birdhouse. We have to cover our glue dots and securing it in a place so it stays nice and sturdy. Now I want to talk with you. If you are new on my channel, welcome. Most of my videos are about cricket projects and party decorations, but I also love seasonal home decor, and I actually have a playlist where I share DIY wreath designs. In the close future, I plan to add more videos to this playlist, so make sure to subscribe and leave a comment if you enjoy these kinds of projects. Also, the materials I'm using today come from a mystery box from Michael's store. If you love surprise craft supplies, check out my unboxing videos on my channel. I will share the links in the description box. And here is our final result. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget like and comment. See you in the next video and happy crafting!